It's a 2017 Mazda CX-5. Have your needs met in a way that feels exorbitant? The CX-5 beautifully delivers the essentials. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. SKYACTIVA G engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, power liftgate, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. The Car Connection remarks, if you've come out of a sports sedan or a hot hatch and are moving up to a compact crossover, this is probably the way to go. For all the things that drive you, there's Mazda. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.